How to fix location not working in Android device. The first step you need to follow is simply to turn on location. You can either swipe down in this way and tap on location to turn it on. Otherwise, you can open settings and locate the locations option. Toggle on the button for location services and it will be turned on. You need to check whether your issue has been gone or not. If not, restart the device. Hold on the power button on your device and then slide towards restart to restart your device. Restarting will help us to fix different kinds of glitches on your device. The third step you need to know that ensure that the app you are using has permissions to access your location. Suppose it's for YouTube, you can simply tap and hold YouTube and tap the I button to access its app info section. Tap on permissions and make sure the location permission is turned on. After that, you need to come back to the settings and then select apps. Tap app management and you need to wait for a while until every applications are loaded here. Tap the search bar and type in Google Maps. If you don't find this way, come back. Open the Google Maps. Tap and hold it. Tap on I button. Select storage uses and clear cache. You need to check for hardware issue and then contact the manufacturer if all of these steps doesn't work. So that is how we fix location not working on our Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.